Okay guys, we've done adding integers for a couple of days, so now of course it's time to subtract. It's very, very, very important that you understand how to add integers because, take a look at this, subtracting integers is the exact same thing as adding integers. But there's a small catch. You have to make it an addition problem first. You have to change it up a little bit. Okay, now how do we turn our subtraction problem into an addition problem? You need to learn this phrase right here. Add the opposite. Okay, add the opposite. So take a look at this problem that we've got here. We've got 4 minus -3. Our phrase says to add the opposite. So we're going to change it from subtraction to addition. That's the add part. So we want to add, we don't want to subtract. So change it to addition. But then it says the opposite. Whatever this number is, make it its opposite. So it's -3, change it to a +3. If it were a positive number, you would change it into a negative number. So we're going to change the subtraction to addition because we like addition problems. Addition problems are easier. So change the subtraction to addition and then make that second number its opposite. Add the opposite. Did I ever say do anything to this first number? No, we always leave our first number alone. This is our starting place. Those of you who run track, your starting place is always the same place around that track. We never change our starting place. Okay, so we're starting with 4, change our subtraction to addition, and then change our negative to a positive. Now we have 4 plus 3, which we all know is 7. Okay? Once we make it an addition problem, we just follow the rules to adding integers, which we've spent the last few days on. That's why it's so important that you understand how to add integers. Here's our next example. -6 minus 4. So notice -6 stays -6. We don't ever do anything to the first term. Our subtraction, we change it to addition. And then what's the opposite of 4? It's -4. Okay, so now we have a whole new problem. -6 plus -4. Well, the signs are the same, so we add, and our answer is a -10. Next example, 3 minus -5. Leave the first number alone. Change our subtraction to an addition. And change our -5 to a +5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. See, these are simple, right? 8 minus -2. Leave our first number alone. 8 stays the 8. Subtraction becomes addition. And our -2 becomes a +2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. See, I told you subtracting integers is going to be very, very easy because all it is addition. You just have to remember to change it from subtraction to an addition. You just have to remember to add the opposite. That's our magic phrase right there, add the opposite. Okay, to summarize these notes, subtracting integers is no different than adding integers because it is turned into an addition problem by adding the opposite.